Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your action points to action coins. In Action Project there are some very good information from the action, and one of them is the fact that we can transfer our points quite smoothly to our wallets. So what you have to do firstly, you have to go to official site of Action. It's Action.io. All the links will be under this tutorial in the description, so don't worry. Okay, first of all you go to personal. As you can see, I have the option convert points, but firstly you have to verify your account. You will have option verify account. So you click the button and you will see something like this: identity verification required. Obviously you have to click the button below and then you have to fill the form. In the form you have to attach your identity card. You can choose your official country ID card or passport, and you have to attach scan of this. You also have to make your selfie with piece of paper holding and with lettering action coin, guys. So this is also very important. There is my hat and there is lettering action coin. And after this you can put there your action wallet address. I hope you have your address, but if you don't have, I will show you in the next step how you can create your address. Okay, so then you submit this form, and after I think 24 hours is approved. In my example it was around 8 hours. When your account is verified, you can process your transfer. So you go to personal convert points and you will see something like this. There is a description about this transfer and you can read it, and in the next step you click transfer request form. Okay, this is how it looks like. So you have to put your address email in this form, but this email should be connected with your account, with your main account of Action, so it should be the same. Then you put here Action wallet address. Action wallet address you can take from web wallet. There is the link to the site. You go here and you create your account, but I suppose you all have your addresses, so it's not very important. The other way for Action address creation is desktop wallet, and I think it's a better option because it always works. Okay, so as you can see, I made a transfer in March, first transfer in March, 5,000 coins, and it was in the first stage. But after this, in April, I made another one, but my 7,000 coins disappeared. It didn't go through the process, and I don't know where are my 7,000 coins. I've sent tickets to support, but I'm still waiting for the answer. So okay, so this is situation from March, but here you can see transfer from now, actually from July. So I made my first transfer. It's 5,000 coins. It takes around 3 days from the moment of filling the form. Okay, so let's get back to the form. You put your address here. Okay, sorry, I have to show you. This is the address that you should copy from your wallet or from web wallet if you created your address here. Okay, so you put this address here. You choose transfer type. So you choose first option, action point to coin transfer, and transfer amount. And guys, this is very important. There is some restriction in this transfer. You can transfer only 5,000 points per day. Okay, so don't put here 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. It will not work. Another restriction is the fact that you can transfer maximum 25,000 points during the month. So if you have 1 million coins, 1 million points, you will have to make, okay, let's count it. It's 1 million coins divided by 5,000 per day. It will take you 200 days, but the team of action informed the community that they will increase this limits. So I think after a month, maybe you will transfer 10,000 per day or 20,000. So you have to be patient and do it every day. Okay, then you click, obviously, submit. It's Polish version of this form, but in English there will be submit button probably. So I think that's all. Guys, you could probably consider why you have to verify your account by your official document. But you know, guys, I think it's a good idea and it's necessary, because there was a lot of people with a lot of accounts, you know, made by one person. For example, I could have 30, 40, 50 accounts. All these accounts could give me 1,000 action points, and I could connect these accounts with my main account, and from you know, affiliate program, I would get 100 points from these accounts. So it was stupid. I think there was a lot of people doing like this, and that's why team of action decided for verification process. So guys, let's do it. Let's transfer your coins. Let's transfer your points to coins. What can I tell more? Guys, there are free exchanges where you can sell your coins. One of them is pizza.com. It's small exchange, it's bad exchange, and it's risky exchange. Actually, I would not recommend this exchange. I've sent 50 coins to this exchange and I'm waiting more than 1 day for transfer, so it's risky. Second exchange, it's stocks exchange. It's better exchange. I used to trade here, so you can try sell your coins here. And the last exchange is Byte BTC. I don't know this exchange, but you can test it if you want. In my opinion, you should hodl your coins. You should keep your coins on your wallet. I think the price will raise in the future. Now it's, you know, it's not worth it, I think. All my coins are no more worth than around $10, so I will not sell them on the exchange. There are some rumors that action coin will be listed on the Bittrex. So guys, please wait till this moment, and I think we all will be happy from this coin in the future. So guys, I think this is all for now. If I helped you, please click like button, please click subscription, make a comment, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.